Hello everyone, welcome to DocuMind, an intelligent document analysis assistant built on Hugging Face. Let me demonstrate. First, upload a PDF document. It supports PDF, Word, and text formats. Click the Parse button, and the system automatically extracts all content from the document. Parsing complete. You can view the full text in the Content tab. Now, let's demonstrate the Summary feature. Click Generate AI Summary, and the system uses GPT-2 to automatically summarize the document. Next is the Rewrite feature. Enter a custom prompt, like Rewrite in simple language. Then click Rewrite. The system reorganizes the text based on your instructions. Now, let's demonstrate Q&A. First, click Build Index to chunk the document and create a search index. Then enter a question like "What is this document about?" and click Get Answer. The system generates an answer based on the document content. Finally, let's demonstrate image analysis. Upload an image and click Analyze. The system uses BLIP to generate an image description and EasyOCR to recognize text in the image. These are all the features of DocuMind. Thank you for watching.